take a look at this. This is my very first NFT Queen with Snake by the amazing Olavolo. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, January 9th. We just got into the studio. We got a lot going on. We're trying to transfer everything from our old computer to our new MacBook. Right now, if you look over there, we're uploading the vlog. Yeah, here we go. Heading into Unit 2, continuing on with songwriting. Like I said, we're going to have a 4-track EP done by the end of this quarter. One thing we got to do this week is I need to redo my whiteboard, and I'm going to actually turn that into more of a goal-setting manifestation whiteboard rather than putting my tracks up on there that I need to work on, because I kind of do that on SoundCloud. I upload my works in progress, and now I know, well, that's a track that I want to finish, or that's a track I need to work on. I don't really need it up there. And yeah, I just want it in a place that I can look at it every single day. I also need to do more journaling and just generally start to set myself up mentally for striving towards my goals. There is magic. Let me tell you, all the things that I've accomplished so far were things that I wrote down. There is magic in writing out your goals. Trust me. Anyways, gone on a little too long. It's Sunday. We are going to take a look at the coursework soon. I got to get this vlog up. We got to get to work. We got all sorts of stuff we need to get done. Good afternoon and welcome back to Sunday Fun Day. We are heading into Unit 2 of Level 6. Let's get right into it. Alright, Unit 2, Vocal Harmony Writing 1, Modes, Social Media 1. Let's go. Starting off with songwriting, Vocal Harmony Writing 1, Single Harmony Line. In this lesson, you will explore vocal harmony writing, why we use harmony in songwriting, when to write harmony lines, basic contrapuntal theory, I think that's how you say that, approaches to writing single line harmony parts to complement a top line. Pushing forward, we are into keyboard techniques. In this lesson, you will explore diatonic modes and how to use them. Music isn't all about major and minor. The concept of modes, relative modes, the concept of modal interchange, parallel modes, the modes arranged by color, modes changed into patterns. And then we move on to music business. Social media, intro to part 1. In this lesson, we'll start looking at the role of social media, why social media is so important for success in today's music industry, how to use social media for engagement other than marketing. And then, as per usual, we end with a keys playing assignment. All right, another absolutely jam-packed week full of lessons. You can't see it, but honestly, there are 26 sections, 26 different online videos and assignments to go over for this one single unit. The thing I'm super stoked about, though, is learning Icon's point of view for social media. I'm loving songwriting. I actually love writing songs. But anyways, I don't know. As you can tell, I'm just really excited about what we're learning this quarter. All right, that is it for Sunday Fun Day today. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It is January 10th, and we've been in the studio a little while. I got this interesting track idea, which potentially could lead me to an EP idea. I had a nice relaxing morning, went to my favorite coffee shop with Becca, had a nice little coffee date before the studio and before she went to work. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling refreshed. Today we are going to try to develop this track idea, see where it goes. We need an idea a week for our mentors, so that's kind of my motivation to do that here. And then we need to dive in to Unit 2 lessons. I hope the start of your week is going well. I'm gonna get to work. Good afternoon and welcome back to Mental Health Monday. I've got a little idea for you, and that is writing out your goals, putting pen to paper is literal magic. You've probably heard the term manifestation, and I know for a lot of people this just sounds like hokey pokey BS. I would say that language and words are the most powerful thing. Our words have the power to heal others, they have the power to hurt others, and so by that application, they have the ability to empower ourselves and other people. And so when I deeply desire something to happen for me, it's coming from my heart to my head to my arm to my hand, and then holding the pen and then out onto the paper. I am physically, consciously manifesting my desires when I'm writing out what I want. I'm telling you, write a short phrase on your mirror in the bathroom or beside it on a sticky. Write something simple. I have everything I need. And when you brush your teeth, read it to yourself 3 or 4 times every day and night. I 100% guarantee you that 1 month, 2 months, 5 months down the road, the habit of doing that, you start to believe it. How you think in your head is essentially how you're treating yourself. And if it's on this rigid negative loop all the time about everything going on in your life, you've got to work on changing it, because that's the only way you're going to better your life. It's the only way you're going to feel better about yourself. It's the only way you're going to gain self-esteem and a positive self-image. And so for me, this is what it's all about. These kinds of exercises, they reinforce a positive outlook on life. Having that positive outlook allows me to continue to strive for my goals despite any obstacles. So this weekend, along with me, I'm going to write out all my goals on my whiteboard, and I'm going to get the studio cleaned up, and I'm going to get things organized for this year. I challenge you to do the same. Whatever mental blocks are in the way of you pursuing where you want to go, you can get through them. It just starts one little thing at a time. Let's absolutely kill it this year. All right, that is it for Mental Health Monday today. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, January 11th, and we are having a doozy of a morning. Someone somewhere hacked my Facebook account. I have literally been working towards getting it back and changing all my passwords, enabling 2-factor authentication for the last 3 hours. So annoying, and what a waste of time, because today was going to be all about doing the lessons, and we've got 26 sections to go over for this entire unit this week. I think we're just going to eat our lunch, chill out, watch our streamer buddy Vander for a bit, and then get to the lessons. That's really all we can do. Luckily, it's Chill Tuesdays. Not much going on, no vlog segments today. Dang, that's too bad. I've been trying to set up my new MacBook, and that's what I wanted to also do this morning. So, in due time, managed to copy everything from this computer to my MacBook, and now it's just a matter of enabling all my plugins and making sure all the software works. So I hope you're having a good week. Let's get to work. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, January 12th. We're straight into the lessons today, learning about different modes. And this is really quite interesting stuff. I'll go into detail about that for the Wednesday vlog segment coming up, but yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I've actually been going to sleep a little earlier, just getting back into the routine of things and really just kind of easing into this quarter. I'm feeling definitely the weight of having been in school for this long. That's for sure. Towards the end of this week, it's going to be all about getting focused on my goals. I really need to write everything out, need to do a big journal entry, and then get everything up on my whiteboard. In order to gain the success that I desire, I need to see it visually every day. We've also got therapy coming up at 1 p.m., which I'm looking forward to for the most part. I'm just grateful to have therapy. I know many people can't afford it, and there's not always a sliding scale option in every town. So yeah, super lucky and fortunate to have someone to talk to. We gotta dive into these lessons. We're a little bit behind from the Facebook fiasco yesterday. Everything's good though. We got our account back. We beat the stupid hacker, and then we changed all of our passwords. Oh my god! I literally almost just forgot. This is the most exciting thing. Let me pull it up. Give me a sec. Take a look at this. This is my very first NFT Queen with Snake by the amazing Olivolo. An absolutely amazing artist that I went to high school with. We weren't too close or anything like that back in high school, but I've been following her career for a while now. To see her coming into the NFT space is just amazing. Who knows? Maybe a future collaboration is in order with Ola. Anyways, we're gonna get back to these classes. We'll talk to you soon. Good afternoon and welcome back to the Wednesday midweek check-in. How are we feeling today? Well, like I said this morning, we just got back from therapy, and I'm feeling pretty drained, to be honest. We did a lot of learning today as well, and this week started off pretty crazy with my Facebook getting hacked. We pretty much wasted an entire half day. I did get my idea down for my mentor session tomorrow, which I'm super happy about. But yeah, after I finish this, I think I'm gonna go home and chill out for the rest of the day. You can only do so much in a day, you know? The brain can only handle so much. Let's get into the icon coursework, shall we? I'm so excited. This was an absolutely massive week for everything that we learned at Icon. Songwriting. This week we learned all about single line harmonies. Everything to do with why they're used, how they're used, when to use them, and essentially we're writing, I think, 4 tracks with songwriting this quarter, kind of the grand finale, and we're learning everything to do with the songwriting process, and we're singing it ourselves. I'll definitely be showing you a preview at the end of this week vlog. All right, moving on to keyboard techniques, aka music theory class, we are learning about different modes. So we're talking about Aeolian, Mixolydian. These are different modes of how a key is laid out. And essentially what they're teaching us is that you can swap out pretty much any chord note for one of these different modes. Each mode has its own emotional feel to it. It's actually music theory that I took a look at years ago, and I just was like, yeah, I don't get this. I'm just gonna get back to the basics, minor and major scale. So I'm super happy that this is some of the final stuff that we're learning at Icon. And last but not least, we are talking about music business. The music business classes are all about marketing this quarter, and this one was all on social media. Essentially what they're talking about is learning how to use social media to your advantage. Now we're talking about engagement, we're talking about promotion, and ultimately we're talking about making sales and converting casual followers into superfans. I'd say the thing that stood out the most this week was this whole engagement versus promotion thing. And essentially what that means is a lot of artists are just putting out work, constantly saying, check this out, check that out. Here's my new track. They're all about promotion. Conversely, there's a lot of artists who are just throwing content out there all the time. They're not really selling anything. They're not really taking a business approach to what they're doing. Now, this is all about finding the right cadence for you as an artist, splitting between the two. You know, you want to build a genuine connection with your fan base out there. I love the way that they're already laying this out. I've definitely felt weird about pushing myself or promoting myself, but you know, in order to make this a career, in order to get paid to do this full time, you really do have to put yourself out there. So yeah, bit of a longer Wednesday vlog segment, but like I said, 26 sections in this unit. I think the most out of this entire quarter. So much good stuff this week. Of course, we got the back half of this vlog week coming up. We're gonna finish the assignments. We got sound design, all that good stuff. All right, that'll be it for the Wednesday midweek check-in today.